Welcome to Students Learning Center Empowering Minds. Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Social Science MCQs with key answers. Francisco de Almeida implemented Option A. Blue Water Policy. Option B. War and Negotiation Policy. Option C. Divide and Rule Policy. Option D. Doctrine of Lapse Policy. Right answer is option A. Blue Water Policy. Blue Water Policy is attributed to Don Francisco de Almeida. His blue water policy was to be powerful at the sea instead of building fortresses on Indian land. Second question. Sell-by agreement was signed to end the. Options are Option A. First Anglo-Mysore War. Option B. First Anglo-Maratha War. Option C. First Anglo-Sikh War. Option D. First Carnatic War. The right answer is option B. First Anglo-Maratha War. Sal-by Treaty was signed on 17 May 1782 and was ratified by Hastings in June 1782 and by Nana Fadnavis in February 1783. The next question. A Fauzdari Adalat is. Options are Civil Court, Revenue Court, Criminal Court, Consumer Court. The right answer is option C. Criminal Court. In the Criminal Court, case filed by government, 1 point, and second 1 point, criminal law is the body of law that deals with crime and the legal punishment of criminal offences. For example, theft, assault, robbery, murder, etc. The next question. The Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was. The options are Option A. Wellesley. Option B. Dalhousie. Option C. Cornwallis. Option D. Ripon. The right answer is option A. Wellesley. The Fourth War was undertaken by Governor General Lord Mornington, later Wellesley, on the plea that Tipu was receiving help from France. British troops stormed Srirangapatnam in May 1799. Tipu died in the fighting and his troops were defeated. The next question. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was. The options are Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Option B. Swami Vivekananda. Option C. Narayana Guru. Option D. Dayananda Saraswati. The right answer is option D. Dayananda Saraswati. The main reason for going back to the Vedas was that they were storehouses of information and religious truth. They are words of God and have a supreme and an independent authority. The slogan was raised by an Indian philosopher and social leader, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi revolted against British due to. Option A. Subsidiary alliance. Option B. War and negotiation policy. Option C. Divide and rule policy. Option D. Doctrine of lapse policy. The right answer is option D. Doctrine of lapse policy. The doctrine of lapse policy was a policy of annexation initiated by the East India Company in the Indian subcontinent in relation to the princely states and applied until 1859 2 years after Company rule was succeeded by the British Raj. Next question. Ras Bihari Ghosh and Madam Kama are the leaders of Option A. Revolutionaries. Option B. Moderators. Option C. Radicals. Option D. Extremists. The right answer is option A. Revolutionaries. A revolutionary is a person who either participates in or advocates a revolution. The term revolutionary refers to something that has a major sudden impact on society or on some aspects of human endeavor. Next question. The founder of Indian National Congress is. Options are Option A. Mahatma Gandhi, Option B. A.O. Hume, Option C. Balagangadhar Tilak, Option D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The right answer is option B. A.O. Hume. His full name Alan Octavian Hume. Next question. Forward Bloc was founded by Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, Option B. Subhash Chandra Bose, Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Option D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The right answer is option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. The All India Forward Bloc is a left-wing nationalist political party in India. It emerged as a faction within the Indian National Congress in 1939. Led by Subhash Chandra Bose, the party re-established as an independent political party of the independence of India. The next question. Lala Lajpat Roy was killed during Option A. Jallianwala Bagh, Option B. The protest against Simon Commission, Option D. Non-cooperation movement, Option D. The Salt Satyagraha. Right answer is option B. The protest against Simon Commission. The Simon Commission on 30 October 1928. Thank you for watching.